Hi everyone. Wow, I feel so good vlogging after such a long time. I stopped because let's be real, when you're doing YouTube, you also need something in terms of views and something that helps you earn money. None of which were happening for me. So like I was doing a lot of sit down videos, which I promise won't stop. But this is a vlog because today I'm traveling home. And why? And why am I traveling home? I'm traveling because my mom and dad are coming home. So I'm going to Mangalore and I'm super freaking excited. The house is an absolute mess because that's what happens when you're traveling. But right now it's 10:30, so I shall get to work because I have a video I have to edit. And then we are going to pack. So let's go.
When I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never.
Okay, so I thought I would like give you guys an update because I want to like do a proper vlog this time. So basically it is 2:50 right now. I have had my lunch. I have not done anything else because I was working, and there are a couple of videos that I had to work on. So I've done that, and then there was a video that was like done, how can I say this? It was done like 2-3 weeks back, and now they're coming with changes, which as a video editor, at this point I've got used to it. But there was a time when I thought this was not normal, but I think the more like you do it, the more you deal with these kind of stuff, you're just like, okay, like nothing surprising. So anyway, that's what's happening. And when I was having lunch, I watched the X Morning. So this is a BL series which has Chris and 𝐶𝐿 in it, and it is something I was really looking forward to. But I was like telling myself, okay, so like I'm traveling, right? Oh my god. Okay. So I was telling myself, wait. Oh wait. Okay. Yeah. So I was telling myself, because I'm traveling, I'll like save this, like I'll download it and watch it later. Yeah.
Turns out I don't have that much patience.
So I watched it as I was having lunch, and I have to say, I loved it. I love them. I love their acting. Like, for those of you who have not watched SOTUS, I feel like if you watch the X Morning, you will understand exactly why SOTUS is the series, because these two are insane. Like, thank you, Chris, for getting 𝐶𝐿 back, because wow, I love these two. Like, it's insane. Like, I'm already waiting for the next episode, and I have to like wait a whole week, which is insane, because people who watch the series after it's done will never understand the pain that we go through. But either way, so that's the update for now. I will vlog when I'm packing and stuff, so catch up. I look like absolute shit right now, but anyway, we're going to pack, so I thought I'll take you guys. Yeah, so you guys stay here though, because the video doesn't end, it's the beginning. I'm sorry, just trying to sound cool. Okay, so because I'm going home, I do have my clothes there, but I don't have like a lot. So I've got the shorts and this shirt, and I've got like also just a white shirt, which I'm going to keep it there because I don't wear this often. It's become old also. And I have a black shirt, which is basically like a 17 fan made shirt. So this says like, I don't understand you, but I love you, which is like one of the songs. And the story behind that is really amazing as well. And this is just a cute crop top. I will definitely be packing this because I feel like it kind of looks good now. Yeah, anyway. So now we are like getting really... So now we are really getting into like packing stuff. So let's start. So I'm taking like a shampoo and conditioner because what always happens is that like there is no shampoo and conditioner and then we have to get the packs because like getting that big bottle just seems a little extra for like a couple of weeks. So we're gonna tape it so that it doesn't spill. La la. Okay. Please cut. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we put this. Just going to put this here. You have to pack like a charger, which I've asked my neighbor, can you please give me one? She said, okay. So it works out. Okay, so we packed our shampoo and conditioner, and then these are like the 2 toothpastes that my dad wanted. So I'm just packing that. And funny story. So basically, every single time my parents like usually forget the toothbrushes, I was like, you know what, let me just get a pack. So that this time they don't forget. And my mom was like, why did you get it? We have already sent it via cargo. And I was like, okay. But anyway, since I've got it, we're taking it, okay? So that's done. What else do we... So basically, I have a lot of baking stuff which I am taking because I want to like go there and bake it for my parents. But packing that is going to be a little nightmare, so yeah. So here's what I have. I have a cocoa powder that like we literally got yesterday because we made brownies, me and my neighbor. And I will show that to you guys in the vlog. So this big cocoa powder... Funny story, really funny story. So, I didn't realize I had a whole freaking box of choco chips. I got another one and... Sorry. Anyway, so basically I got another one. But the issue is, this is a good brand. I love Selectile. Like, guys, sponsor me or something, whatever, okay? I love this brand. But it's expensive. So, like, I'm not wasting it, right? So, I'm taking it there. We've got chocolate syrup. And got like vanilla syrup and baking soda. I have to order baking powder because I want to like do muffins for them, like cupcakes kinda. So I will definitely need baking powder. So yeah, that's what it is for now.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away.
So yes, you are hearing it right. It is raining like crazy. I had to close my windows. I am not feeling good about this, okay? It should not be raining right now. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. It should not be raining. I'm just going to say bye-bye. I'll see you in 2 weeks.
You won't be a child. Why, oh, why, oh, why would I, when you were barely even mine?
Okay, so anyway, I'm home. It's actually like 5:30 right now. And I was supposed to go with my uncle to pick my parents up. Except that like we had ordered a new fridge which is like there right now, and it was being delivered, and I was like, I can't go because it takes like an hour to go to the airport. So that's the update. I'm now going to wait for them to pick my mom and dad up, and I can't wait because I'm meeting them after like
4 months. And they've got me a lot of things, so I'll probably post that clip. But yes, this is my home. I'll just show you guys. This is my home. Excuse my hair. My beautiful home, and I love it.